Tonight, both Summit and Lorain counties have been added to the state's Level 3 coronavirus list. That means masks will become mandatory if you are out in public. The mandate starts tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. You'll be required to wear face coverings at any indoor location except inside your house. And they must also be worn outside if social distancing isn't possible or if you're riding in public transportation.
This is, I believe, the thing that we need to do to get us out of this. Look, let's keep our eye on the ball.
Today, Akron's mayor also introduced a bill to make masks mandatory. That order requires masks to be worn at all public locations unless a person is eating, works in a place that prohibits face coverings, or has health reasons. Cuyahoga County is approaching Level 4. That is the highest level on the state's scale. It would mean severe exposure and spread of coronavirus. Governor DeWine saying today, Cuyahoga County saw its largest uptick in cases from June 24th to June 30th. Hospital admissions are also way up in the county.
Cuyahoga County residents are seeking care for COVID-19 related concerns at higher levels than ever before.
Tonight, 5 on Your Side investigator Scott NOLL talked with county officials who say the increase is concerning.
The number of new cases here in Cuyahoga County has been climbing for most of July. Masks now mandatory. The big question, will it be enough to turn this trend around? You can see the rise in Cuyahoga County's new cases each day in this graph. Before July, just 2 days with more than 150 new cases. Already this month, 7 days. Just yesterday, the city of Cleveland, for the first time since the pandemic began, reporting 100 new COVID-19 cases. And it's a similar story in Cuyahoga County suburbs, according to Health Commissioner Terry Allen.
There's no doubt in the eyes of everyone knee-deep in this, in public health, that clearly youth right now are driving the increase in positivity rates.
Allen says it's not just that more people are getting tested, it's that a higher percentage of those tests coming back positive for coronavirus.
Going back a week or so ago, about 3.7%, now to almost 6%, and climbing in terms of positivity rates.
Allen says health officials keeping a close eye on hospital capacity. While the number of patients has risen, he says the full impact of the surge in new cases may not show up in hospitalizations and deaths for a few weeks. The hope, mandating the wearing of masks will lead to a drop in people getting sick. If it doesn't, Allen not ruling out the possibility of additional restrictions aimed at limiting the spread.
I think right now we need to understand whether or not this surge is resulting in additional pressures on the hospital system and hospital systems in the region. And if it does, then we're going to need to have a hard discussion about what other steps need to be taken.
The county's expected to release updated hospital utilization numbers tomorrow. As for what's causing this spike in cases, Allen believes it's because more people are interacting with each other as businesses reopen. He says that's why masks are so important right now. In Cleveland, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott NOLL.